move further ahead and do a lot of more learnings as well, right? So first of all, we saw like folks how you can use Grok to create consultant level reports in just matter of minutes, and we saw how you can use Multi to compare 500 plus AI models side by side without opening hundreds of tabs. One of the most useful tools. We saw how you can type anything without without putting finger on keyboard by just speaking. It also gets your Indian accent, and that's whisper flow, right? After that, we saw one of my favorite tools, Notebook LM, where we created podcast and where we consume knowledge like a ninja. After that, we saw how you can create any kind of image or any kind of creative by using Gemini. We saw how you can create website in just matter of minutes, right from UI UX to front end to back end by using Gemini. After that, we created entire application in just at zero cost in just 2 minutes by using our Google AI Studio. And we saw how you can analyze your data by using Julius AI. We saw how you can create your ATS friendly resume by using our custom GPT of ATS resume generator, and we saw how you can practice for your interview by using voice mode of ChatGPT. And finally, we saw how you can use Comet to apply on automation, and not only that, how you can use Comet for doing your agentic work. And we created our own personal agentic AI employee by using N10, right? So as a result of learning these things, Ishita Pant, one of my students, got 38% salary hike, and right now she is working in her dream company. One of my students, Anil Maharana, got 123% salary hike, and right now he is working in Salesforce because of the kind of learning of the future, right? Now, do you understand what is true potential of artificial intelligence in your day-to-day tasks? Folks, now do you understand how AI can easily take over most of your work and how you will be soon out of job if you do not master it? Now, do you see why prompt engineers who have skill of talking to AI are getting paid upward of 39.3 LP in India itself? Now, do you realize how it is important for you to master the most in-demand technologies, not just in order to survive, but grow exponentially your career and get salary increment that you always wanted? If your answer to all of this question is yes, drop in biggest yes in the chat box. Now, folks, do you realize why it is important for anyone who has computer in their job to learn AI and to implement AI? Yes. Crazy. Absolutely crazy energy. Alright, folks, that's not me saying it. People who are not able to adopt AI, this is their future, right? Mark Zuckerberg, CEO and founder of Meta, of Facebook, of Instagram, of WhatsApp, he said that AI is doing level of mid-level engineer this year itself, right? So he's already suggesting like mid-level engineers he's not going to hire because AI is already doing that work. Founder of Salesforce, no company for coders. Salesforce founder said that he is not going to hire anyone because of the AI productivity gains. Imad Mustaq, who is founder of Stability AI, he said that AI is better than any Indian outsourced programmer. This happened in 2025, and right now we are in 2026. Just imagine how crazy the progress is, right? After that, we are seeing hundreds and hundreds of articles like forever layoffs, disengagement for some and pay bumps for other. Disengagement for people who can't use AI and pay bump for the people who can use AI. 3 in 10 companies are planning to replace their employees with AI in 2026, survey finds, right? So even in San Francisco, there are ads like this: stop hiring humans, and this is era of AI employees, right? So these are the kind of ads right now started popping up in San Francisco, right? We can see AI will take 4 out of 5 jobs, and we can see results of this right now itself right in front of us. AMD laid off 4% of their workforce, Microsoft laid off 1,500 of their employees, Dell fired 12,500 of their employees. You name the company, they have either in one way fired or laid off or like restructured their teams in recent times, right? And not only just startups, even established companies, even old companies, even IT companies, everyone is joining in on the bandwagon because AI is the 4th industrial revolution and everyone wants to be on the front. Everyone wants to cut their cost, right? Intel cut 15,000 jobs, right? How AI revolution is driving 2 lakh layoffs on Wall Street, right? Even finance professionals are not safe, right? Why? Because you can see AI has rapidly improved in past 3-4 years, right? In 2022, it was just like a cool party trick, like just for writing some jokes or having some fun. But right now, it is actually doing economically important value. Right now, it is actually able to derive economically importance, right? So MIT study finds that AI can already replace 11.7% of US workforce, right? 11.7%. Every 1 in 10 job is already going to be lost because of AI right now in USA. Just imagine how good AI has become. If you think like I'm not from IT background, I don't have coding, I don't have data analysis, I don't have testing, I'm safe. No, my dear friend. Finance professional, 2 lakh finance jobs are going to be lost. Marketing, 95% of marketing professionals are going to lose their job. Legal and paralegal, doctors, everyone is at the threat of AI. If you don't adopt, you are going to become dinosaur of upcoming century. And if you feel like Aditya, I'm a managing director, I'm a CEO, I'm a vice president, my job is safe. No, my dear friend, a major Chinese gaming company replaced their CEO with AI. right? And it is going good for them. NetDragon WebSoft replaced their CEO with AI, and it's going good for them. Just imagine if CEO can be replaced with AI, what is going to happen with entry-level jobs and mid-managers, right? That's the reality of 2026, right? So we are an entire generation of people who are working in jobs which are not going to exist without AI in next 12 to 15 months. This is not even 12 to 15 months right now itself. In beginning of 2026 itself, if you don't have knowledge of AI, you are not going to be relevant for upcoming job force, right? So if you try to compete with AI, you are going to lose, right? If you try to compete with AI, you will lose. Why? Because AI is smarter, faster, and cheaper than you, right? We saw how AI can create really good quality presentation in just a matter of 10 seconds, where consultant will be charging 30 LPA, 40 LPA. We saw how AI can generate any kind of code in just a matter of 1-2 minutes, where a developer with 1 year of experience will charge 12 LPA. AI is right now smarter, faster, and cheaper than you. If you try to compete with it, you are going to lose. That's the reality. But the best part, you don't have to compete with AI. Do we have to compete with AI? No, we don't, right? If you try to work with AI, you will win. We have to work with AI, right? Why? Because AI won't replace you directly. A person using AI will, right? ChatGPT won't work on itself. Grok won't work on itself. They need a person who can make them work really efficiently. They need an upskilled person in AI who can make all of these tools work efficiently, who can create automations, who is eligible for job market of the future, right? So AI is not going to replace you directly. A person using AI will. So you have to become that person who is using AI, who is replacing others who is not using AI, right? That's what is happening in 2026, right? 78 million new AI-powered jobs being created for a person who uses AI. That's not me saying it. That is said by World Economic Forum, that 7.8 crore jobs are going to be there for people who can use AI, right? After that, Niti Aayog is saying that $2 trillion. Right now, India's GDP is $4 trillion. Half of India's GDP is going to be added in India again by 2035 just because of AI. Just imagine who is going to become richest when this new money is going to come in India. People who know how to work with AI, people who are proficient at AI, people who are working in the field of AI, right? So that is what is happening around us, and everywhere in the entire world, people who are equipped with AI knowledge, they are getting the advantage. They are going on the front. They are becoming the managers. They are becoming the CEOs of the companies, right? So software developers, old software developers used to write codes manually, debug manually, and after that spend their entire time setting up environments. But AI-powered software developers, they have AI to do half of their work as their co-pilot. They write code using AI, they debug using AI, and they automate their environment setup as well using AI. As a result, one AI-powered software developer is able to do job of 5 old software developers. That's in 2026, right? Data analysts, old data analysts used to take hours of time to clean the data, analyze the spreadsheet. After that, put all of these formulas. But new AI-powered data analysts can clean the data using AI. Their data synthesis, and they can generate comprehensive reports by using AI. We just saw like Julius, it is just one of the tool and tip of the iceberg, right? But a data analyst equipped with AI can work as much as 5 old data analysts. That's the power of AI, right? After that, for finance professionals, old finance professionals used to prepare reports manually, track expenses, analyze spreadsheet, everything manually. But new finance professionals, they have their agents and they have created processes where AI is helping them reduce their 90% of the workload. As a result, one AI-powered finance professional is able to do work of 5 old finance professionals. And same thing is happening across DevOps, MLOps, cloud engineers, product and project management, supply chain and business operations, digital marketing, engineering and manufacturing, teaching, education and research, graphic designing, product designing and UI, UX, HR and recruitment, healthcare professionals, content, social media, and legal compliance and sales and business development. Everyone who is using AI in all of this field, one person is able to do work of 5 people. Because of that, one person is getting high salary hike, and other rest of the 4 people are getting laid off. That is the reality of 2026, right? So since you are in this workshop, I want you to think how you could be that one person who has the job and get exponential salary hikes, and not rest 4 who are going to lose their job, right? Are you folks committed to become that one person who is going to be upskilled in AI, who is going to have all the knowledge, who is going to get salary hike, who is going to be committed to their career, not among the 4 people who is going to just wait for that pink slip? Are you guys committed for learning AI and implementing? Yes. Absolutely love this energy, right? And you can see, like, whatever I'm saying, it's backed by data. Exponential 50 to 60% salary hikes are for the employees who with AI skills. That's not me saying it. That is said by AWS research. Amazon Web Services research said that 54% salary hike is on an average for people who have AI skill. Not only that, employers are willing to pay premium for AI skilled workers. Survey finds, right? 2 in 5 employees received pay hike due to AI, right? 40% of employees are getting pay hike only because they have AI skills. Learning how to use AI could boost your pay by 25%, study finds. This is by CNN Business. So these are the kind of reports right now, right around us, and you can see by yourself as well, your colleague who can use AI. Right now he got promoted and you are reporting to them, right? That is what is happening in job market in 2026, right? So now do you understand why you should learn AI for any work that you do on your computer, irrespective of your profession, your age or your industry? Folks, now do you understand why you need to use AI? If you use computer, whatever you do on computer, why you need to use AI? Doesn't matter what profession you have, what age you have, what industry you have. Yes. Absolutely. So now, folks, biggest question. Now, who is committed? Who would like to learn all of this, about AI directly from us, become an AI-powered working professional, and ultimately grow exponentially in career? Drop in biggest session in the chat box if you are excited to learn everything that you need to know about AI. Get upskilled, get that exponential salary hike, and live away from AI anxiety. Yes. Absolutely, yes. Love this energy. So folks, if you are absolutely committed, I have one of my biggest kept secret, which is our AI Career Accelerator Inner Circle program. This program comes with a 100% guarantee. So what is this program? So folks, you are going to master everything, latest technology of AI. You are going to master everything that you need to know about AI for 2026, and in order to become irreplaceable in job market, and in order to get minimum of 40% salary hike, right? As a part of this program, you are going to master and get certified officially by us and by Microsoft, while mastering most in-demand technology of the present and for the AI-driven future. And best part, you do not require any kind of prior knowledge. You do not require any kind of coding, tech, or any kind of prior knowledge in order to master and get certified and get that career growth in your life, right? As a part of this program, we are going to build your portfolio so good, just like an Ivy League executive MBA program, right? Recruiters are going to chase you because of your portfolio. We are going to build your portfolio so good that you are going to build automation, you are going to build apps. Not only that, you are going to build management frameworks by using AI, and it's going to look so good on your resume that recruiters are going to chase you. You don't have to chase recruiters, right? As a part of this program, you are going to get guaranteed 40% salary hike. 3,231 of my previous batch students achieved within 6 months of joining this Inner Circle program. And this program comes with 100% guarantee. And as a part of this program, you are going to get high-paying job, which is more than 18 LPA with our 100% guaranteed in-house job assistance, right? How does it work? So we have lots and lots of vice president HR directors, right, who are connected with us. They know our students, know skills of the future, and there is a huge demand for these skills, but not enough supply. So they give us these job openings, and we give these job openings to our students, right? That's how we provide our guaranteed in-house job assistance. So now I told you, you are going to get this output, and this program comes with 100% guarantee. So what is this guarantee? So folks, after mastering skills from the program, right now my students are working in Amazon, Google, Accenture, Meta. You name them, and say 99.9% chances my students are working there at salary packages more than 18 LPA, right? So you can see a countless number of my students, 50% salary hike, 175% salary hike, 56%, 70% salary hike. If I show you list, I have more than 3,000 success stories of my students giving me video testimonials of what results they got because of the program. Because of that, they have rated me 4.7 out of 10,000 odd reviews that I have, right? When you learn and implement learning from the inner circle program, either you are going to get minimum of 40% salary appraisal in your job with an upgraded designation in next 6 months, or you are going to get a better high paying salary package than your current job in upcoming 6 months. Let's say your company is not giving you 40% salary hike and designation upgrade, then you are going to get a better job in another company in next 6 months. Or I do not want your money at all. You're just not going to get refund, but I'm going to give you 200% money back. If you don't get one of these two outcomes after learning and implementing from the program, I do not want your money at all. You are going to get 200% money back if you don't get one of these two outcomes, right? So this inner circle program has 4 key components. What are these 4 key components? Number 1, who absolutely loved today's workshop format? Who absolutely loved today's workshop format? Me. Love this. Alright. So folks, just like today's workshop, we are going to have live coachings on weekends, full of energy, full of top 1% mentors in this entire world are going to teach you all of this on weekends, just like today's workshop, right? I know life happens. Sometimes you might not be having time on weekend. Sometimes you might miss the class. Do not worry about that. You are going to get recordings of all the live classes available 24/7 on your dashboard, right? Along with the notes of the program, or along with notes of the class, right? Not only that, you are going to get incredible bonuses, tools, softwares for absolutely free along with the program. You are going to get guaranteed 100% job or higher salary assistance, and the best part about it, you do not require any kind of prior experience, knowledge, or background in order to get all of these results, because right now AI is the future, and AI has not started for past 50 years. The generative AI, it has just started in past 2 years, right? So if you learn and if you implement, you can easily rise to the top, right? So who is this inner circle program for? Now you must be having this question, Aditya, I want to enroll, but now I need to understand, is this for me, right? If you are a working professional, right, if you are a working professional who is wanting to get minimum of 40% salary appraisal in your current company with better designation, right? Your company cannot simply give you 40% salary. I can expect you to work on same designation. Let's say you are a manager, you are going to become a senior manager. If you are associate vice president, you are going to become a vice president, right? You are going to get a minimum of 40% salary with upgraded designation. If you are a working professional, if you want that, then this program is absolutely for you. If you are a working professional who is wanting to get a 18 LPA plus job in next 6 months via our guaranteed in-house job assistant, this program is absolutely for you. If you are a freelancer or business owner who is wanting to 2x their income by using AI, then this program is absolutely for you. If you are a student who is wanting to start their career at 10 LPA plus salary package, this program is for you. And if you are anyone who is using computer in today's day and age, then this program is absolutely for you. Right? So now you must be having this question, Aditya, what is this blueprint? How can you assure so much results? Like, I need to understand what I'm going to learn. I need to have that blueprint. Drop in blueprint in the chat box, folks. If you want exact blueprint of the program, what we are going to learn and how we are going to learn, what we are going to get certified in. Blueprint. Wow. Crazy energy. Absolutely. So I would like to request Goenka for sharing the exact blueprint with you.
Okay guys, superb. Guys, as Kajavi mentioned, this particular program is for working professions, is for students, is for freelancers and business owners. Basically for anyone who uses a computer in today's date and age, this particular program is an essential for them. And how are people achieving these sort of results with the help of this program? By basically what is covered in this particular program. Let me go ahead and explain to you what is covered in this particular program. Guys, firstly, you don't need any sort of prior knowledge or experience or anything required to be a part of the program. So firstly, we'll be learning the number one skill of this particular century. What is it? It is prompt engineering. We'll be learning the A to Z of prompt engineering, how to talk to AI. Why will we be learning it? Because prompt engineering will be the highest paying AI job. Not according to me, according to the World Economic Forum, it will be the highest paying AI job, and that is why we'll be learning all about it in module number 1. Guys, prompt engineers in India are getting paid an average salary of 39.3 LPA with a range of 15.3 LPA to 154.9 LPA. Basically, a salary of up to 1.55 crores. That is what prompt engineers are getting in India. And via this module, we have people like Ramnath ji, Gaurav Sisodia, Darshan, Anju ji, who have been able to get jobs as prompt engineers. Once we do this, we'll be moving on to module number 2, which is all about fundamentals of generative AI ecosystem and building a mindset of an AI generalist. We'll be learning about MCPs, about memories and agents, about the power of RAG, about how to run locally hosted LLMs, all of this in the second modules. Once we do this, we'll be moving on to the third module, which is all about research work using AI, client work using AI, project work using AI, in order to learn how to use AI in order to do all of this work, so that you do not have to spend time on weekends or late nights doing this particular work. Via this module, we have people like Sudeshna ji, who says that the impact has been unbelievable. Not only did I manage to do all of this in such a short time, but I also received an extra bonus for being the best new joiner in my company. While working on all of this, I also secured 2 new online clients by showcasing my AI powered social media and creative work. This has allowed me to earn almost double my salary and 5x more than what I invested in your class, all just within 3 weeks of joining the program. So this is what Sudeshna ji was able to do with the help of this program. And guys, with that, we would have completed phase 1.1, which is AI fundamentals and ecosystem mastery. Once we do this, we'll be moving on to phase 1.2, which is AI product building, storytelling and analytics, where firstly we'll be learning how to build AI powered apps and websites even without having any sort of coding knowledge. Yes guys, we'll be learning how to use AI in order to create websites, in order to create apps which can be used by everyone in your office. Imagine being that person in your office which has made websites and apps for everyone in the office. So you become the go-getter person in the office. Everyone reaches out to you for any sort of work, and that is at that point of time, the amount of power you will have in your office will be completely unparalleled. So that is what we'll be learning in the 4th module. Once we do this, we'll be moving on to 5th module, which is workflow automation, so automate day-to-day office work. Okay, so like 80% of your day-to-day office work can actually be automated if you set up workflow automations for it. Okay, and that is exactly what we'll be learning in this module, how to automate your day-to-day office work so that you can like actually save 80% of your time while doing day-to-day office work. Okay, we'll be using make.com for this. Once we do this, we'll be moving on to sixth module, which is about a software which is used by 1.5 billion people every single day. What am I talking about? I am talking about Microsoft Excel. Will we learn like basic Microsoft Excel or advanced Microsoft Excel? That is not the case. We'll be learning basic to advanced Excel, but with the help of AI. How to do data analysis, how to do automate and visualize data effortlessly, all of it with the help of AI inside Microsoft Excel. Because via this, we have people who have been able to reduce 27 hours per month of effort to just 14 hours per month. Custom Excel reports made in 14 minutes resulted in better salary appraisals. AI and automation did up to 65% of the total work without any sort of manual intervention. Once we do this, we'll be moving on to the next module, because if you are someone who wants to rise up the hierarchy, if you want to become a VP in your company, a AVP in your company, a director in your company, a manager in your company, you should learn how to do good PowerPoint presentations, how to create good PowerPoint presentations, how to present like a pro and have the good storytelling skills as well. All of this we'll be learning in this seventh module, via which we have people who have been able to get shortlisted in Accenture and got placed in Bosch Bangalore as well. Once we do this, we'll be moving on to the next module, via which you will be able to convert boring looking raw data into beautiful looking interactive dashboards and interactive visualizations with the help of Power BI. Will we learn it in a normal way? Not at all. We'll be learning it with the help of AI. No prior knowledge required, via which boring looking raw data can be converted into beautiful looking interactive dashboards like this, where let's say if you click over here, if you click California over here, everything in your dashboard gets converted to that of just California. And every manager in the world, every company in the world loves to look at interactive dashboards like this. You'll be learning it right from scratch, via which we have people who have been able to impress their bosses, got a job in Capgemini as an analyst, got 23% salary appraisal, which was almost double that of last year. And there are people who who have gotten jobs of Power BI developer, gotten 65% hike with the help of this particular module itself. Once we do this, we would have completed phase 1.2. We move on to phase 1.3, which is about agentic AI agents and autonomous systems. Like we saw an agentic AI system, like my personal assistant, an agentic AI employee. Like that, you can build agentic AI employees for any sort of work you are doing. Okay, you could belong from any background, any profession, like you could be from any industry, you could be having any number of years of experience. Okay, you could be in your 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, you could be in your 20s or 30s as well. You can build agentic AI employees for yourself. Okay, we'll be learning all about it in this particular module. You'll be learning how to build your own personal assistant. You'll be learning how to build AI powered customer support agent with RAG. You'll be able to build voice agents as well, like Hey Siri is there, Hey Alexa is there. You will be able to build your own voice agents to be able to do any sort of work that you have via this particular module, via which we have people like Keval R. Thakkar, who got 300% salary hike. 300% salary hike in just 2 months with the help of this particular module itself. Once we do this, we'll be moving on to phase 1.4, which is about being career ready with the help of AI. How you can become career ready. So firstly, we'll be learning how to build your personal brand and optimize your LinkedIn profile with the help of AI. Because once you build your personal brand, recruiters start reaching out to you instead of you reaching out to recruiters. How to do all of this with the help of AI? That is what we'll be learning in the 10th module. Then we'll be moving on to a module where we'll be learning a skill which is not taught by any school, any college, not by any job. Nowhere you are taught something like this. What is this? This is a module where you will be learning about salary negotiation with the help of AI. Okay, how you can negotiate your salary in order to earn 40% salary hike. You will be learning all about that. You will be learning how to find those hidden job opportunities which are not there in Monster, which are not there in in Naukri, .com, which are not there in LinkedIn. Nowhere you find such job opportunities, but how do you find it? We'll be learning in this particular module. Once we do this, we'll be, we have people like Ramiz Mullah, who was able to crack a job in Deloitte with no coding background. Among 5,000 plus candidates, he was able to do something like this. Once we do this, we'll be moving on to phase 1.5, which is about AI branding strategy and leadership. Yes, AI branding strategy and leadership, where firstly we'll be learning about AI powered image and video creation for personal brand building in order to unlock the power of AI to create and optimize content. Yes guys, in order to build a personal brand, you of course need to create images and videos for yourself. So how do you do that with the help of AI? You can create these sort of posters and the sort of posters which Kajavi showed to you in today's session. Along with that, guys, tell me which particular language this reel is in. Okay, this video, tell me which language this is in.
AI agents બનાવું seriously એટલું hard નથી. શું થશે જો હું તમને કહું કે તમે complex code વગર એક mind blowing agent બનાવી શકો. ચાલો સાથે મળીને break down કરીએ કે આપણે AI agent.
Tell me which language is this? This is Gujarati, right? This is Gujarati. What about this? What about this?
बिना कॉम्प्लेक्स कोड का वापर करून एक माइंड ब्लोइंग एजंट तयार करू शकता. चला एकत्र ब्रेक डाउन करूया. आखिर
This is Marathi. This was Marathi. What about this?
एक माइंड ब्लोइंग एजेंट बना सकते हो. चलो साथ में ब्रेक डाउन करते हैं.
And this is Hindi. Guys, all of these three reels, what if I tell you that all of these three videos are completely AI generated? Yes, Kajave was not even here when these videos were shot. Video, audio, all the languages, Marathi, Gujarati, Hindi, all of this is completely AI generated. Drop in a MB in the chat box if you're mind blown by this, that all of these three videos are completely AI generated. And what if I tell you that in this particular module, you will be learning how to create such videos with your own face or with anyone's face. Okay, with anyone's face, you will be learning how to create your own avatar, via which you can, do all of these sort of cool sort of stuff. Okay, so you'll be learning all of this in this particular module, where you will be able to create videos like this with your own avatar or with anyone's avatar. Once we do this, we'll be moving on to the 13th module, which is about business communication with the help of AI, how to communicate better to your employees, to your peers better with the help of AI. We'll be learning in this module, via which we have people like Krishna Chaitanya Bhamidepati ji, who got 100% hike more than his current job, that too in Oracle, with the help of this particular module. Then we'll be moving on to the 14th module, which is about AI ROI and strategy to turn what you have built into business impact. So if you build any sort of AI project and you want to implement it in your company, you will need to show it to your management, to your peers, what is the ROI of this particular project, what is the strategy behind it, and how to ideate all of that, how to make that AI ROI deck. We'll be learning all about it in this particular module. Once we do this, we have people like Avinash Gupta, who's a senior engineer at Nagarro. After a 2+ year career gap, he was able to get a job. In fact, he has posted about us in LinkedIn as well. You can see over here, new beginnings at Nagarro. I'm excited to share, I've officially joined Nagarro as a senior engineer, and he has specially thanked BE10X, me, Kajave, all of us for us to be able to help him do that. Okay. Then we have people like, comes the next module, which is AI and leadership and team management. Because guys, tell me, what is the number of people you manage in your team? If you are someone who manages a team of 2 people, 5 people, 10 people, 100 people, whatever the case is for you, if you are someone who manages a team, in today's date and age, you need to use AI for it. You need to become an AI leader in your company. You need to become an AI team manager in your company. So how do you do that? How do you strategize with the help of AI? How do you make decisions with the help of AI, and how do you become an AI powered leader? That is what we'll be learning in this particular module. Once we do this, we would have completed phase 1.5 and all every learning that we have in phase 1 to become an AI generalist. Once we do that, we'll be moving on to phase 2, where we'll be building a capstone project. Yes guys, phase 2 we'll be building a capstone project, because it's the capstone phase. You will be in this phase, you will pick real world problem statements and build production ready AI powered solutions from concept to deployment, guided by specialist mentors and live checkpoints. You will apply product building, automation, agents, analytics and storytelling to create polished showcase worthy projects for portfolios, clients and interviews. So all of this capstone project you will be building in this capstone phase, which is phase 2. And guys, once we complete phase 2, okay, once we have learned everything in phase phase 1 and did projects in phase 2. We'll be moving on to phase 3, which is the specialization phase. Yes, it is the application phase or the specialization phase where you will learn how to apply AI in your own profession, in your own industry itself. Yes, you will be learning how to apply everything that you have learned in your own profession, in your own industry. Okay, so you can choose whichever profession, industry you belong to. Guys, drop in a me in the chat box. Okay, drop in a me in the chat box if you're someone who is a software developer. Okay, drop in a me in the chat box if you are someone who is a software developer, because you will be learning in the you can choose whichever the industry is for you. You will be learning how to apply AI as a software developer. You will be learning how to apply AI as a DevOps, MLOps, as a cloud engineer, as a QA test engineer. Keep on dropping in a me in the chat box to whichever profession you belong to, because you will be learning how to apply AI in your own profession. Okay, keep on dropping in a me when your profession pops up. Okay, as a data analyst, as a data scientist, as a data engineer, okay, as a financial analyst, as a bank manager, as a graphic designer, as a product designer, as a UI UX designer, as a digital marketer, or as a marketer, or if you are into advertising, okay, as a product manager, as a project manager, as an educator, as an edtech professional, as a teacher, or as a professor. Okay, as an engineer, if you are into civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, any sort of engineer, chemical engineer, if you are an engineer, you will learn how to apply AI as an engineer. You will learn how to apply AI as a supply chain, logistics, and operations professional. You will learn how to apply it as a social media manager and as a content creator. You will learn how to apply it as a sales and business development associate. You will learn how to apply it as a customer support agent, as a success agent. You will learn how to apply it as a healthcare administrator. You will learn how to apply it as a HR and recruiter. You will learn how to apply it if you are into legal services and compliances. All of these white collar professions, in phase 3 you will be learning how to apply AI in your own profession. Okay, in your own profession, in your own industry. How do you use AI, apply AI to become the 10x version of yourself, an AI powered employee? You will be learning all about it in phase 3. And guys, once you do this, you would have completed phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and you would like phase 1, as we call it, the AI generalist phase, you would have become a generalist. You would have done projects on it in phase 2, and then in phase 3 you would become a specialist as well, where you will be learning how to apply AI in your own profession, industry, to become a super valuable employee of your own company, in your own industry, in your own profession. Okay guys, with the help, once you do all of this, you would be getting certified as well for the AI Career Accelerator program. And guys, our certificate is recognized by DPIIT Startup India, and it's an ISO registered certificate as well. And if you feel you will be getting only one such certificate, guys, that is not the case. Not one, not two, not five, but you will be getting 22 certificates in one single program itself. 22 such certificates in one single program. Imagine how your resume will look like after the program. Imagine how your LinkedIn profile will look like after the program. 22 certificates in the world of AI. Hardly any of your peer would have that. Okay. And you will also be getting certified as a Microsoft certified global expert. Only 1 out of 40,000 people in the world have this certification, the top 0.003%. And you can get certified as a Microsoft Office specialist, PowerPoint associate, as a Power BI data analyst, as a Microsoft specialist Excel expert, as a Microsoft certified expert, and as a Microsoft certified associate as well. Okay guys, this is the exact program via which we have people like Vikash Mofe, who works at LX, got his salary jumped to 18 lakhs with the help of this particular program. You can go ahead and find these people on LinkedIn as well. Vikash Mofe. We have people like Hitesh Arora, who is an instructional designer, who got a 80% salary hike with the help of this program. People like Aman Bansal got 85% salary hike from 30 LPA to 56 LPA with the help of this program. People like Chaitra C, who after a 7-month career gap landed a 9 LPA job. After a 7-month career gap, she was able to do that. People like Tushar Gupta, who had, got a role as an AVP role in Citibank with the help of this program. People like Nishan Sawant, who after unemployment got a role as a general managerial position at a BMW dealership with a great salary. People like Van Sharma, who got a 50% salary hike with the help of this program. People like S. Karthik, who landed a 20 LPA job in Tech Mahindra after 1 year with the help of this program. People like Manish Trivedi, who is a CA, a chartered accountant, who says that his weeks of work has been reduced to just a couple of days with the help of this particular program. His workload has been cut by 80% as a chartered accountant, as a finance professional. And there are so many such people. The list goes on and on and on. You can see over here, as soon as people complete the program, they fill this particular Google sheet with their name, with their success, and with their video testimonial as well. Guys, who gives video testimonials? People who get results. People like Ramnath got promoted 2 times in just 2 months after learning prompt engineering. People like Prasanna, who got 45% salary hike with the help of this program. People like Kalyan, who got 52% salary hike at the age of 56. Guys, age is just a number. You could be in your 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, or 70s with the help of AI. By applying AI in your work, by being an AI leader, you can actually earn these sort of salary hikes while your peers are getting laid off. You can actually get salary hikes of 52%. Got a job as a 26 LPA as a prompt engineer. 40% salary hike, 60% salary hike, from 8 LPA to 28 LPA with the help of this program. 50 to 60% of his time saved. Got salary hike of more than 2x. Salary package of 44 LPA with the help of this program, and the list goes on and on. And that is not it. Okay, these people give us video testimonials, which you can find over here. Okay, I'll attach this particular playlist link with your note, with the notes of this particular workshop as well. You can go through all of these testimonials. How I got a 45% salary hike with the help of this program. From Big 4 to corporate role, 2 offers and 20% hike with the help of this program. How I got a 70% salary hike with the help of this program. So how I switched to IT after 8-month career gap. Can how this supply chain manager got promoted using AI. 40% salary hike after 12 years. And you can see the list is so long. Like, I can continue for hours and hours. From 17 LPA to 38 LPA using this one strategy. This Instagram ad gave me 50% salary hike. Like this, there are so many people who have gotten so amazing results. The average salary hike which people in our community get is that of 47%. And this is the sort of program which is there in front of you to make you completely ready. All of these learnings in one program to make you completely ready for this AI driven world. And if you think only me and Kachave are going to be teaching you throughout the program, guys, that is not the case. You would be having me and Kachave as mentors, but along with that, you would be having the best of the best mentors across not just India, across the entire world. Who am I talking about? Guys, the best of the best mentors like Kachave, like me. Apart from us, you would be having Mr. Stephen Klein, who is a founder and CEO at Curioso.ai, a UC Berkeley lecturer in the United States and an ex-Harvard University lecturer. Guys, if you want to get lectured by a Harvard University professor, you would have to pay 2 crores as fees to get admitted. Okay, so a person like this Stephen Klein would be one of your mentors. People like Prakhar Bafna, who is an IT Kharagpur alumni, ex-JP Morgan, ex-hedge fund trader, he would be one of your mentors. Varun Deo, who is an AI generalist lead, ex-product manager at Blinkit, ex-Tata AIG employee from IIT Kharagpur, he would be one of your mentors. People like Ruben Hasid, who's a top AI voice on LinkedIn and founder of EasyGenAI, an international keynote speaker. People like Dr. Keith Newton, prompt and generative AI engineer from UK. People like Katie King, who is an author and keynote speaker on AI. People like Vidhi Agarwal, who is from McKinsey, Citibank, and an alumni of MBA, alumni of ISB Hyderabad, an MBA from there. People like Aman Saurav, who is an IIT Delhi alumni, a senior data analyst. People like Ishan Tiwari, who previously used to work at Meta, right now at working as a data science lead at Google. Bhavishya Pandit, a senior data scientist, ex-IBM. People like Swapnil Narayan, who is an IIT Dhanbad alumni and presently working in Microsoft. And I'm sure you would be knowing people like Ashneet Grover and Boman Irani. You would have seen them on television, on movies, in the internet, on Instagram. Shark Tank judge Ashneet Grover, Mr. Boman Irani, a famous Bollywood celebrity. They would be, best of the best mentors from across not just India, from the entire globe to provide you the best of the learnings. And guys, do you think it will be like any other course out there in the market where you will be given a login ID, password, go watch it at your own pace whenever you have the time, etc., etc.? That is not gonna be the case. Guys, how many of you loved the format of today's workshop? How highly energetic workshop it was, how highly engaging it was, and how we have been teaching you since the last couple of hours. How many of you absolutely loved the format of today's workshop? Drop in love in the chat box if you're someone who loved the format of today's workshop. Excellent, loved it. Josh, hi sir, loved it, amazing. That is perfect. So guys, if you love the format of today's workshop, how about I tell you that in the AI Career Accelerator program, you will be taught exactly like today's workshop directly from us on weekends for the best possible experience of your life. Okay, high energetic sessions like this on weekends for the best possible experience of your life. But I understand that life happens. Certain weekends you might not be free, you might have to go out with friends, with family, you might have to travel, etc., etc. So guys, you will be getting recordings of all live sessions made available in your dashboard to watch it at your own pace with absolute convenience whenever you have the time. So recordings of all live sessions made available in your dashboard to watch it at your own pace with absolute convenience. Apart from that, you get 5 optional live practical doubt solving sessions every week for 52 weeks after your office hours for guidance, project solution and mentorship. So guys, in the live sessions, let's say you want to discuss further, you want to talk further to the mentors, you want to talk about specifically any sort of problem that you're facing. We have kept 5 optional live practical doubt solving sessions for guidance, project solutions and mentorship, which are completely optional. In fact, our students who joined 2.5 years back, they are still attending these optional doubt solving sessions. So we have just mentioned 52 weeks informally, but I'm sure we will be providing you much more than that. Okay, apart from that, you get 24/7/365 lifetime access to all lessons and live session recordings. Apart from that, you get lifetime updates to all advancements happening in the world of AI, because the world of AI is moving so fast. Why live classes relevant for your career growth? You get the best in class support with dedicated VIP calling number and a dedicated VIP WhatsApp number as well. You get certified as an AI powered working professional and a Microsoft certified global expert, that too guaranteed. You get 100% job or higher salary assistance guaranteed, or you get a 40% salary appraisal guaranteed in the next 180 days. Because if you do not get a better paying job or a 40% salary appraisal in the next 180 days, you get your 200% money back guaranteed. Okay, either get results or get a 200% money back, and you get a chance to learn live from the top 1% mentors in the world, including mentors from Harvard University as well. Okay, so these are the sort of mentors over and above everything that I've mentioned so far. Over and above everything that I've mentioned so far, let me also go ahead and tell you that I have a certain special surprise for you. Okay, special surprise that over and above everything that I've mentioned, you will be getting 6 high value premium bonuses that will help you get a salary appraisal or a higher job package faster than everyone else in a guaranteed manner. Okay, a salary appraisal or a higher job package faster than everyone else in a guaranteed manner via these 6 high value premium bonuses. Guys, because these bonuses are so premium and it costs us real money to be able to provide you this, so we cannot provide it to everyone, and we can only and only provide it to the first 30 early bird slots only. Okay, and it is my responsibility as a mentor to tell you that the last time we opened the seats for our inner circle 2 months back, all 30 early bird slots got sold out within 9 minutes of sharing the link, and the only people who were able to get in were the fast action takers. You can see over here, 1:45 p.m. I shared the link, and 1:54 p.m. all 30 early bird slots were sold out, and only the people who were the fast action takers were able to get in. I'm gonna be sharing the registration link very soon, so ensure that you are a fast action taker and you are among the first 30. Now, I'm sure a lot of you would be having this particular question in your mind. Aditya, what are these early bird bonuses, 6 premium early bird bonuses for which people flock onto the program so fast? So let me go ahead and tell you all about that. Guys, premium bonus number 1, early bird bonus number 1, you will be getting an entire army of AI assistants for you, which includes Aditya GPT, which includes Interview GPT, which includes ATS resume generator that we saw today, which includes prompt engineer GPT that we will be showing to you in the program. Like this, there are 100 plus custom tools, 100 plus AI agents that we have built for you, for your own industry, for your own use case, that you can simply plug and play. Okay, so 100 plus AI assistants, AI agents, custom GPTs made for you, which are going to be completely priceless for you in your AI journey, and we are going to be giving to you for completely free as a part of first 30 early bird slots only. Apart from that comes bonus number 2, which is 36 industrial projects. Guys, we have partnered with companies, as you can see on the screen. We have partnered with these companies and taken industrial projects from them, and you will be getting real world AI business projects across all sorts of professions in phase 3 to create a portfolio that impresses recruiters and showcase your AI work to get promoted or hired faster. This is something which is worth rupees 72,000, and because these partnerships cost us money, we cannot give it to everyone. We can only and only provide it to the first 30 early bird slots only. Then comes premium bonus number 3. It is, you will be getting basic to advanced Python and SQL using AI program to work smarter for free. No prior knowledge required at all. This is worth rupees 22,000. You will be getting for completely free as a part of bonus number 3. We can give only and only to the first 30 early bird slots. Then comes bonus number 4. It is the basic to advanced Tableau masterclass to forecast and predict your company's KPIs, worth rupees 17,500 for absolutely free. Guys, recruiters have started reaching out to us saying that they need people who know Python using AI, SQL using AI, Tableau using AI, and that is why we have added it as bonus number 3, bonus number 4. We'll be able to provide only to the first 30 early bird slots. Then comes early bird bonus number 5, which is one of our most advanced programs. Some of you might have seen ads about it. We sell this particular program at rupees 20,000. It is the AI for freelancing and business owners. AI for freelancing and business owners, via which you can earn money using skills and create a second income source for yourself, even while staying at your job or by doing it full time without even showing your face on camera. This is worth rupees 20,000, guys. In this world of AI, it is very important. For it will be rather foolish of us to just rely on one single source of income. You need to have at least 2 sources of income for yourself, and how you can go about creating this second income source for yourself, that is what we'll be learning in this module, via which we have people like Ashish Kumar, who's a retired IT professional who earned $116,000 in 6 months via his second income source. People like Riddhi Gupta, who runs an offline business, earned $7,100 in 6 months via her second income source. Harshit Singh, who is a student, earned 34,000 rupees in 2 months. I know it is not a lot, but for a student it meant a lot, and he was able to do that with the help of this particular bonus number 5. And guys, talking about Kachave at the age of 27 and 29, via just one of our businesses, you can see over here, last month we collected a total amount of 2.60 crores. Okay, last month itself, you can see over there, last month 2.60 crores. Am I saying this to boast about myself or about Kachave? This is not the case. This is to tell you that there is this completely new world of freelancing that you can do very easily with the help of AI right now. Okay, with the help of AI, all of this is much possible, but you should know how to do that, and that is why I am showing you this, that by using AI, I'm not expecting you to make 2.60 crores, but can you make that additional 1 lakh rupees, additional 2 lakh rupees, additional 5 lakh rupees every single month? You 100% can do that, and for that you need to have this particular bonus number 5, and that is something we cannot provide it to everyone, only and only the first 30 early bird slots. Apart from that, you will be getting this bonus number 6, where before even revealing that, guys, let me go ahead and tell you that high speed traders made $7 billion in Indian options market boom, and but over 90% of small traders lost money in futures and options. Just 1% of retail traders made profits of over 1 lakh rupees. So who are these high speed traders who are making so much amount of money? Guys, these are high speed traders who are trading and investing with the help of AI. Yes, guys, now you can trade and invest with the help of AI in the stock market. And let me go ahead and tell you, this is a bonus that Kachave and I were discussing yesterday, whether should we give it. We have decided that we'll be giving it only and only for the first 30 early bird slots, and only for this particular batch of the program. So you get the all paid 4-day financial freedom accelerator program, which is program via which you can learn stock market from scratch and automate stock trading and investing using AI, that too along with your job. This is worth rupees 20,000 you will be getting for completely free. No prior knowledge in stock market, nothing like that required. Everything will be taught to you from scratch by just spending 10 minutes a day. You can actually earn from stock market trading and investing using AI, and you'll be learning all about it in the all paid 4-day financial freedom accelerator program. Guys, this is the exact program, via which the AI Career Accelerator program, via which people like Aditi Bahukandi ji, who got a 54% salary hike, people like Parul Gupta, who at the age of 47 got a 40% hike in less than 2 months. So guys, age is just a number. You just need to have the will and you need to have the skills via which you can achieve results like this, even if you are in your 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, whatever the case is for you, you can achieve results like this. And guys, let me go ahead and reiterate this fact which Kajave has already told to you, that when you learn and implement in the inner circle, you will either get a minimum 40% salary appraisal in your job with an upgraded designation within the next 6 months, or get a better job with a higher salary package than your current job within the next 6 months, or you get your 200% money back guarantee. That is how, that is the deal which is there in front of you. Either you get results or you get a 200% money back guarantee. So guys, at this point of time, I have shared you all details of the AI Career Accelerator Inner Circle live coaching program, where you get guaranteed results or you do not pay at all, where you get the entire 3-phase learning which is included in the AI Career Accelerator worth rupees 1,71,500. Along with that, you get the 6 premium bonuses which comes out to have a total value of rupees 3,23,000. Yes guys, and that is the normal investment for anyone outside this workshop to be a part of this AI Career Accelerator Inner Circle. They need to pay rupees 3,23,000 to be a part of this particular program. Okay, 3,23,000, and if you go ahead and compare it with the upgrade program, if you go ahead and compare it with Scalar, with etc. etc. In fact, let me go ahead and show it to you. Okay, if you simply go and type data analyst upgrade in Google, you will be able to find this data science using AI program. And if you go ahead and look for the price of this particular program, only data science using AI program, no bonuses, nothing. The price is rupees 3,15,000. This is one of the module of phase 3 of our program. Okay, for this they are charging 3,15,000. Data science using AI program by Scalar, if you go ahead and look for the price of this, you will find the total fee to be 3,69,000 rupees. Similarly, Ematicus or Simplilearn, or go to any of these platforms and you will find such prices even without having any bonuses, and just by giving you data analyst using AI, data science using AI, which is one module of our entire program. So you can imagine with the bonuses, with the 3-phase learning, with the multiple modules in phase 3, how valuable this particular program is for you. Okay. So guys, this is the normal investment to be a part of this workshop, and this is the price which people outside India, they pay $3,600 because they have the capacity to pay that. But for you all who are attending this particular workshop live here with me, I have something absolutely 10x crazy offer for all of you, which will completely blow your mind. Can I have the maximum number of 10x in the chat box if you want me to do something absolutely crazy for all of you? I want the maximum number of 10x in the chat box if you want me to do something absolutely crazy for all of you. 10x, 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 10x. Love this energy in the chat box. Guys, let me go ahead and tell you that the price of the program program for people who are attending this workshop live here with me is not going to be rupees 3,23,000, but for the first 30 early bird slots only. For the first 30 early bird slots only, they get all the 6 premium bonuses, and the price of the program for them is gonna be rupees 28,600. That too split across 13 monthly no cost installments. What does it mean? That in order to be a part of this program, you just need to pay a booking fee of only rupees 2,200, and you can be a part of the program, and the remaining fees you can pay over the next 12 months of monthly installments of rupees 2,200. So how to be a part of the program? My team member has shared a booking fee link of rupees 2,200. You can pay it and be a part of the program. Drop in done in the chat box once you are done paying the booking fee, so that I know that you are among the first 30 early bird slots. Okay, in fact you can use this QR code as well in order to scan this QR code and make the booking fee payment. I already see a couple of people. Kavya Menon, congratulations, welcome to the program. Abhishek Kundu, congratulations, welcome to the program. Ishita Shah, congratulations, welcome to the program. Viksha H, congratulations, welcome to the program. That is superb, guys. I already have 5 slots gone. 5 slots gone. 25 more slots remaining. You can go ahead and register yourself and be a part of the first 30 early bird slots. As I mentioned to you last time we opened the slots, all of these seats got sold out within 9 minutes itself, and you can use this QR code. And guys, as I mentioned, you get the entire AI career accelerator plus all of these 6 premium bonuses: the AI assistants, 36 industrial projects, the AI for freelancing and business owners, 4-day financial freedom accelerator, all of this as a part of the program itself. More and more people who have done and registered themselves. Congratulations, guys, welcome to the program. People like Virat Sawant, congratulations, welcome to the program. Then I see Vihan Gupta, congratulations, welcome to the program. Meera Rao, congratulations, welcome to the program. Guys, so far I have 11 slots gone. 11 slots gone, 19 slots remaining. You all are super fast. 11 seats gone. I see more people, Shawani, Chatterjee, etc. etc. I see 14 slots gone now. 14 slots gone, 16 more slots remaining. Guys, tell me how many of you want more bonuses. Drop in more in the chat box if you're someone who wants more bonuses. Drop in more in the chat box. Okay? Because what I'm going to be doing now, you will be shocked what I'm going to be doing now. Guys, what we have gone